I'll tell you again a very interesting story. When we started working in batteries 2017, back in 2017, so BMS was again a black box, and all of the three co-founders we came from metallurgy background. So electronics was something which we did not understand. And then when we asked people that what is BMS, so no one would say that BMS is a probably you do charge balance or probably you do voltage imbalances you manage with that or threshold and all. People would generally start with Kalman filter. They would do like they would start with jargons which you won't understand, neural network and all. And it was such hard. Like we really got scared that what exactly is this. And probably last 17, 18, we did it. So there are lots of material all available on the internet. Plus, we met professors. We work very closely with IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, and then we started understanding what exactly is BMS. And over the time, we understood that all the logics, probably Kalman filter or whatever neural network, these are very so those would make only 3 or 4% change. Plus, you need to have cell characterization before applying those to your BMS. So when people say that take the BMS, it already have Kalman filter and all, without asking that what cells are you using, they are already doing injustice to your system. So in 17, 18, it took us a long time to understand what exactly is BMS. And then we thought that, so there are two ways to work on it. First, we start understanding what components are used, what impacts those components are making. Because if we don't understand it and we buy it from someone, it won't help. So there we invested a lot. So before building our own BMS, we started understanding what BMSs are already available, what kind of component should be used. So we in fact procure, we have partnered with people for BMS. And there, again, initial part was to calibrate to understand that probably you should use this IC. So we used to tell our vendors that we need these quality, probably these are the registers which we need. And with time, so last during this lockdown, we have developed our own BMS, but we work both ways. So we work with partners where we say that these are the values which we need. And for our own BMS, so it is in testing phase. So we have done BMS for 12-volt systems, for 20-volt, 24-volt system. For 48, we are building our own BMS. And the reason again is more to build product is to more to understand what kind of BMS is required. And that can only be done if we build a sample, even a sample. If we start making our own BMS, then only we would be able to understand that this is something which probably would work the best.